Hello friends, welcome to my channel EduKids World. This is the second part of the video where I'll be giving you some interesting words which can be used in place of very. The first one is very tasty. In place of very tasty we can say delicious, or we can also use delectable. A sentence for delicious can be that this dish looks delicious. For delectable we can say delectable smells rose from the kitchen. The next one is very creative, and a word to replace this can be innovative. She was an imaginative and an innovative manager. Or we can also say the company manufactures range of innovative products. The third one is very powerful, and a word to replace is compelling. A sentence for this can be I found the whole film very compelling. That means it had some very powerful message to give. The next one is very bright, and a word to replace this can be luminous. A sentence for this that we can use is my watch has a luminous dial so I can see it in dark as well. The next one is very beautiful. Nice word to replace this can be exquisite. A sentence for this can be her wedding dress was absolutely exquisite. Next one is very dry. For very dry, instead of this we can say parched. Like the lack of rain had parched the land. That means the land had become dry. The next one is very often, and a word to replace this can be frequently. A sentence for this can be he frequently donates large sum of money to charity. Next one is very great, and a word to replace this can be terrific. We can say this as she is doing a terrific job, or we can also say he had a terrific sense of humor. Next is very dear. A very dear word can be replaced with cherished. Children need to be cherished. Next is very careful, and a word to replace this can be cautious. He was cautious when he was riding the bicycle. That means he was very careful. Next is very tight, and it can be said as constricting. A sentence to support this can be I find the office environment too rigid and constricting. The next is very bad, and a word to replace this can be atrocious. A sentence for this can be, we can use it as the weather has been atrocious all the week. Next is very serious, and we can say this as grave. A sentence to support this can be his face was grave as he told them about the bankruptcy of his business. That means his face became very serious. It was a serious thing that he was disclosing. Next is very worried, and it can be replaced as distressed. The tragic news distressed us all, or we can use it as she was distressed at how neglected the children looked. The next one is very upset, and to replace this we can say distraught. She is still too distraught to speak about the tragedy. That means she is still very upset. Or we can also, say that she sounded absolutely distraught. Next one is very interesting, and a word to replace this is captivating. A sentence to support this is your captivating personality makes you a shining star in social gatherings. Next one is very quick, and we can say this as rapid instead of very quick. For example, there has been a rapid acceleration in the growth of industry. Next is very long term, and for this we can say as enduring. His enduring quality is his childlike innocence. That is, something will stay with him for a very long time. Next is very slow, and we can use it as sluggish. A sentence to support this can be a heavy lunch makes me sluggish in the afternoon. That means that you feel slow after eating a heavy lunch. The last one in the list is very smelly, and for this we can say as pungent. The air was pungent with the smell of spices. That's it for this video. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel EduKids World.